Stepping into the grand foyer of the Winchester Mystery House, a chill runs down the spine. The air, thick with the weight of history, seems to dance with the shadows that twist and writhe on the walls. A sense of anticipation fills the atmosphere, a heady mixture of curiosity and apprehension. We are about to delve into a world where the ordinary and the paranormal intertwine, a world shaped by the peculiar obsessions of one woman. This is the domain of Sarah Winchester, a woman whose life was as mysterious as the house she built. A woman gripped by an unusual fascination with the supernatural, her existence was marked by an uncanny obsession with the otherworldly. Her life, her breath, her every waking moment, echoed through the winding corridors and grand rooms of this enigmatic abode. Finally, here we stand, in the very place where Sarah Winchester, gripped by the supernatural, lived and breathed for so many years. Following Emily, our guide, we venture through the labyrinthine halls and rooms, each filled with peculiar features. The Winchester Mystery House is a testament to Sarah Winchester's strange obsession with the supernatural. It's a dizzying maze of architectural oddities, a world where logic and reason seem to have taken a back seat. There are doors that open onto brick walls, staircases that ascend into the ceiling, and corridors that twist and turn in a seemingly endless loop. It's not just the physical layout that's disorienting. There's a palpable sense of history hanging heavy in the air, a spectral residue of the people who once called this place home. Everywhere we go, we're treading the same paths they did, touching the same doorknobs, breathing the same air. It's as if the past is not a bygone era, but a living, breathing entity trapped within these walls. Every corner turned, every room entered. The presence of the past and the ghosts of the people who once lived here is palpable. As we traverse the house, Emily unfolds the story of Sarah Winchester and her belief in the spirits of the dead. Sarah Winchester, a woman shrouded in mystery and intrigue, was the heart of this peculiar mansion. A belief ingrained in her very being, she was convinced of the existence of spirits and the necessity to appease them. And so, the Winchester house became her grand project, a manifestation of her fervent beliefs. It was built with an array of unusual architectural features, from staircases leading to nowhere, to doors opening into brick walls. Sarah believed these oddities would confuse the spirits, keeping them at bay. But who were these spirits that Sarah Winchester so desperately tried to appease? The legend tells us that they were none other than the restless souls of those who met their end at the barrels of Winchester rifles. The Winchester family, after all, was known for their production of firearms. It was a chilling irony that Sarah, an heiress to this fortune, spent her life and wealth trying to make amends for the very source of her affluence. The weight of such a history is heavy, almost tangible, as one walks through the labyrinthine halls of the mansion. The eerie silence, broken only by the occasional creak of old wood, seems to whisper tales of the past. The spirits, it is said, are still here, forever trapped within these walls, their unrest echoing in the mansion's many hidden corners. Yet, amidst the spectral tales and the chilling aura, there's an undeniable sense of human resilience. Sarah Winchester, consumed by her beliefs, created a legacy that continues to fascinate and bewilder. Her story is a testament to the power of conviction, the strength of the human spirit in the face of tragedy. Despite her efforts, the house stands as a haunted testament, the restless spirits of the past forever trapped within its walls. Yet it's also a symbol of hope, a reminder of the indomitable spirit that seeks redemption, even in the darkest of times. Leaving the house, a sense of gratitude for the glimpse into Sarah Winchester's life and beliefs washes over. Her haunting yet inspiring tale is a stark reminder of the complex weave of darkness and light that makes up the human experience. The house, with its peculiar architecture and labyrinthine halls, stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. Despite its eerie history, it is a beacon of perseverance in the face of adversity. The Winchester Mystery House, with its spectral inhabitants and its doors leading nowhere, is more than just a haunted mansion. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of one woman's extraordinary belief and her indomitable spirit. It's a mirror reflecting the strength of the human spirit that pushes forward, even in the face of tragedy. As the engine roars to life, a sense of peace and contentment settles. The Winchester Mystery House, more than a haunted mansion, stands as a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit.